Hi guys, it's the second half of 2023. Can you believe it? Here's some new items that you will peep in my upcoming watercolor videos and tutorials. First up, we've got brushes by Princeton. We start off with the Mottler Princeton Neptune, the two Petals, which are part of the Princeton Velvetouch line in a size 6 and a size 10, and then we've got the Princeton Blooms brush in a size 12. Next up, we've got the Daler-Rowney set of 48 Aquafine watercolors. Y'all might have noticed this swatching video that I did for this beautiful set of colors back in October of 2022, and I'm finally going to get to use this in a bunch of videos. Hope y'all are excited. Next up, we have these watercolor tubes by Paul Rubens, and it is a set of 36, and it is their 4th generation and highest quality watercolors. For paper, I'm very excited to be trying out the St. Cuthberts Mill Saunders Waterford. This is a 300 GSM paper. Next up, we've got the Legion's Stonehenge Aqua Hotpress. I've had this paper for a while, but I've only used it in my monthly watercolor workshops, and now they will be featuring in my videos as well.